2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a nail video, and I know it's been so long since I done a nail video, but it's springtime. It's time to do something fun and girly and bright. I have these nails for about 4 weeks. As you can tell, they're pretty grown out, so we're getting ready to cut them off and do a new Gel X full set. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do is take my straight edge nail cutters, and I'm going to cut the length of the nail. And this makes it a lot easier for me to soak them off, and I don't have to worry about working with excess product. All right, so it should look something like this. And now we're going to file off the top coat and the gel color, and we're gonna soak these babies off. All right, you guys, so don't mind the ashiness. So I'm getting ready. I've removed my nails. So if you want to see a full video on how I do that, I will link it up at the top. Now I'm getting ready to clean up the nail plate, the cuticle area, and prep the natural nail for the Gel X extensions. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so after your nails are prepped, this should look something like this, nice and beautiful. As you can tell, my natural nails are super healthy and they're very strong. They don't have that that paper-like feeling that you get after you remove acrylic. So I haven't done this hand yet. I'm gonna do this one off camera. We're just working on my left hand for today, but I'm gonna take my Gel X medium coffin and the natural curve, and we are going to pick the size that we need. And I can't really work with super long nails like that, so I'm probably gonna end up cutting these down a little bit. So this is what they look like. Let me put it as a darker background. This is what they look like. Just like this. Right, so after you get the size that you want, you're going to change your nail bit, and I got this little rounded one. You're going to turn your Apres Gel X upside down, and we're going to etch the inside of the nail. Okay, this is gonna cause little grooves inside the nail, so you can attach to your natural nail a lot better. So I like to create little grooves inside the nail, so you can see those little grooves, so the nail is not so smooth. Okay, so it looks like that. All right, so next I'm gonna grab my nail file, and I'm going to grab my nail tip, and I'm going to file the top of the nail, and this will remove the thickness from the base of the nail. So when your nail starts growing out, the nail tip is not super bulky and it's not catching on things. You want it to be nice and flushed. Alright, so I'm getting ready to use step 1, which is the pH bounder, and step 2, which is the primer. I do 1 coat of the bounder. And I do 2 coats of the primer. Alright, so if you're wondering what this is right here, this is a LED light from Amazon. We'll link it down below. And this is a like a clamper that I got from Ready Wanna, and I will link it down below as well. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm gonna take my extend gel. I'm running out. Hopefully I have enough. I'm going to scrape it on here. And this is the thumb. I'm going to drop her at a 45-degree angle. And we are going to go down. You can see the gel going down the nail. We are curing her in place. Okay, and this is how it should look. Super pretty. I'm going to put some gel, extend gel, on the nail tip. Make sure your nail's looking down. Your tip is going to be at a 45-degree angle, and you're going to drop her down, and at the same time, like, push your nail, your finger up. Hopefully that makes sense. I will show you guys again. Nail doesn't fit too well. You could go ahead and customize it so it can fit a little bit better. My middle finger is more like rounded, so I'm gonna round her out just so it can fit better. There we go. Perfect. Turn my light off so it doesn't dry my gel. Same thing, you guys. Take the gel, apply it to, and then we're going to grab a lump. Not sure if I got enough. Let me go. You guys, I've been doing Gel X for like, I think 2 years, 2 or 3 years, so I freaking love it. Okay, so you're going, here's a tip. You're going to put your finger, like your hands, if you're doing it yourself, you're going to put the finger down, like, you know, like this, basically. If you have a client, make sure their hands are nice and relaxed. And then you're going to take the tip at a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle. And you're going to, while you are pressing down, while you're bringing the tip down, you're going to bring your natural finger up so you can see the gel going down. Okay? Alright, you guys, so they should look something like this. Now what I'm getting ready to do is put her under my LED lamp for 60 seconds just to do a final cure. Okay, you guys, so I got the pink right here. This is by Lisa Khan in the color 550 Mexico. So that will be great for the pink. I got my Milk Bath by Charm gel right here, and then I have this Gold Leaf by Vitro. This is super old. I need to mix this, but yeah, I think this is more of a like a champagne rose gold color, but I don't have that, so we're gonna do gold and hopefully it works out. Alright, you guys, there you have it. The cute redesign, the inspo. That looks so cute. It's definitely out my comfort zone. I haven't done colorful nails in a very long time. Like I said, that's why I stopped making videos, because I got kind of in a rut and I got stuck in the whole nudes and neutrals side of things. But they came out so cute. I freaking love them. Let me know what you think. Are you sticking to the nudes for the summer, or are you gonna do colorful nails? So yeah, you guys, hopefully you like this video. Let me see what else, let me know what else you want to see from me, what other designs. Add me on Instagram and send me some nail inspos of whatever else you want me to recreate. I think these came out so cute. They're so fun. It's perfect for the spring. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.